family and friend. I am Chef Henry, and today I have a brand new recipe for you all. I'm gonna show you how to make coconut curry chicken. For my green seasoning, onion, scallion, thyme, and garlic. Here is all of my seasoning. Pimento, Maggi chicken flavor, onion powder, curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, buffalo chicken seasoning, meat seasoning. I measure out a tablespoon portion of all the seasoning. Beta pack curry, 2 packs. I'm gonna add 1 into the chicken and 1 pack into the vegetable oil when I'm frying up the chicken. Coconut cut up in cubes. I will blend up the coconut after I finish season the chicken. I'm gonna start cutting up the green seasoning. Now I'm going to separate all the parts of the chicken. Just want to remove some of the skin. So the chicken breast, you want to cut it up nice. And that's the ribs bone. And you just want to split. And now I finished cut up the chicken, and it's time to wash the chicken with vinegar. Now I finished washing chicken. Now you want to refine cleaning the chicken when you're washing it. So now I'm going to add the seasoning. Just going to mix out the seasoning. And you always want to add some and leave back some. Add the green seasoning. I'm going to rub the seasoning into the chicken. Then I'm going to apply the rest of seasoning. I'm going to add a little pimento in with the chicken. And you always want to crush a pimento in your mantle. Now I'm going to add the beta pack curry. Now the chicken is finished seasoned. I'm going to set it out of the way for 15 minutes. Time to blend up the coconut and extract the juice. I have 2 cups of water into the blender. Time to extract the coconut milk. I need fresh coconut milk for this coconut curry chicken recipe. Now I have fresh coconut milk. It's time to fry up the chicken. I'm gonna add some cooking oil. I'm going to add 1 pack of Beta Pack curry into the oil. And this process is cooking the curry. You always want to get your curry burned into the oil, and this is safe because curry can cause upset stomach. Now I'm going to add the chicken. I'm gonna let the chicken caramelize in the curry for 10 minutes on both sides. Now I'm gonna check on the chicken and I'm gonna give it a quick stir to ensure the chicken is not sticking to the bottom of the pot. I'm gonna place the cover on. Now I'm gonna add the green seasoning into the chicken. I added half a cup of water in with the green seasoning. Now I'm gonna check on the chicken and I'm gonna give it a quick stir. And this coconut curry chicken, it's gonna be delicious. Now I'm gonna add the coconut milk. I'm going to place the cover on and let the coconut curry chicken cook for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to check on my chicken and I turn my stove down. Now I'm going to place my lid on. Now I'm going to check on my coconut curry chicken. Five more minutes to go. Now I'm gonna check on my coconut curry chicken, and it's finished cooking. I'm gonna shut my stove off, and I would see you all for the taste test. And I'm telling you, I'm so excited to have my coconut curry chicken on a plate. And check it out. And I tell you early on, warning, because this recipe, it's a banger. And please guys, just blow this video up, make this recipe. So now I am going in for the taste test. You have to get all of this gravy goodness, the sauce on the piece of chicken. Wow, I'm bursting with flavor. I'm excited because I make this dish for you guys. So, and I serve it with potatoes and dumpling. This coconut curry chicken, it's the best. And you should go and make it for your family and serve it. And thank you all for stopping by and watching this amazing recipe. Please go and make it for yourself. And I always say this, I welcome everybody in this channel, and thanks for watching.